Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find saved jobs on Upwork. If you've been browsing through job postings and saving opportunities you're interested in, you'll want to know exactly where to locate them later so you can review and apply when you're ready. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account by entering your credentials. This will take you to your Upwork dashboard where you'll have access to all your account features and saved information. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar on your screen. You'll see several navigation options there that help you move around the platform efficiently. Hover your mouse over the option that says Find Work. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with additional choices related to job searching and management. From this drop-down menu, click on Save Jobs. This is the key section where Upwork stores all the job postings you've bookmarked for future reference. It's designed to help you keep track of opportunities that caught your eye without having to search for them all over again. And there you have it. You'll now see a complete list of all your saved jobs displayed on the screen. This organized view makes it easy to review each posting, compare opportunities side by side, and decide which ones you want to apply to. You can browse through them at your own pace and take action whenever you're ready. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.